So my lovely bobbies, I am currently walking towards Phoenix Mall because surprise Shefali decided कि उसको कपड़े चाहिए ऑफिस छोड़ के she is come to Phoenix and I'm like ठीक है यार मेरे घर के पास आई है so let me go visit her. You know what I realized while getting ready today? You know मैं सोचा कि चलो Phoenix जा रहा हूँ घर के पास ही है I'll dress casual. भाई कैजुअल कपड़े हैं ही नहीं या तो मेरे पास बहुत ही फैंसी शर्ट्स हैं or I have like full gym clothes. Okay, so Shefali mentioned that she is at Marks and Spencer's. I recall this store. मैं इधर एक बार आया था 2018 में. I bought a warm jacket from here when I was fat. I remember paying 4,000-5,000 rupees for that jacket. What's up, Bobby?
Hi.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
What did you say?
You're not hungry?
I'm starving. It's way past my lunchtime. It's actually my lunchtime exactly. So let's go eat. Should we look at something or should we go eat? I'm dressed like one cute boy.
So much for my bow.
Everybody laughed at you at work.
Yeah, I contemplated so much before wearing it, but then I'm just like, fuck it. But then
She wore a bow to work. Show them your bow. Yeah, she wore this bow to work. She got trolled at work. Bobbies, do you not think that we look like we're twinning again?
always, because you basically have the same closet as me.
See, my closet is designed by you.
Yeah, because I buy the same colors, and I end up making you buy the same colors because they're neutral.
This is not bad. Sweater material? Sorry, Bobbies, we don't wear sweater material because we don't sweat, we glow. Akka, by the way, there's Snitch in Phoenix. We can go to Snitch.
Oh, I didn't know that. Bro,
Yeah.
they've got funding or something or what?
Why?
Everywhere they've opened a store.
Bros, they are making fuck ton of money.
Goa though.
Chef said she liked the yellow. Actually,
go
this
to
is
Goa?
very Goa.
Fine.
You know what? We'll come back. Let's go eat first. Bobbies, we are now in Phoenix Mall food court. And I see a Subway.
Yeah.
I see a Subway. Chef and I love Subway,
My
right?
eyes were going to there only.
So I also made a video on the main channel what healthy options you have at Subway. The roast chicken salad, which was good, right?
Yeah, but we're going to eat, you know what, right?
You're gonna eat a sub or a wrap?
Wrap.
Guys, Subway now has coffee. Did they always have coffee? मैडम ये कॉफ़ी नया है क्या? Okay.
Tandoori wrap.
Tandoori chicken wrap.
Yeah.
If you want like little more low calorie, then roast chicken wrap is better.
But we have tasted the tandoori and it was good, right?
Fine. For your sauces, we'll do sweet onion, barbecue, and you want spice? Or you want mint mayo? Mint
I
mayo.
don't want mint mayo.
Southwest
Barbecue?
Chipotle, then that's the safest.
Yeah. What did you
Or
say?
I will do just do 2 sauces are enough. Do Chipotle Southwest, salt and pepper, yes.
Okay, Southwest and?
Chipotle Southwest and sweet onion.
Okay, done.
What? Why are you moaning?
You stepped on my toe.
Which
You
toe?
didn't even realize.
Sorry.
Oh my god. You want me to say I forgive you?
Yeah, say.
I don't.
So guys, I am paying 480 rupees because chef wanted to come to Phoenix to buy clothes. Thank you. This is the spot where we're going to be eating. So look at this perfect location, no music. Bro, I just realized something. This is our first food court date.
Yeah, I've never been to a food court.
Yeah.
Shit.
Bobbies. We are now out here. Cheers. Cheers.
We should not do that.
We should not cheers.
We should not cheers and not drink.
Correct, that's correct. So let's drink.
No, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that. I'm
Why?
getting scared.
Why my teeth will break?
Yeah.
If my teeth break, you'll leave me.
No, you'll just get artificial teeth. That's very simple.
Guys, fun fact about Shefali. She broke a tooth in first year of college.
Two-wheeler accident.
Two-wheeler accident.
Actually, it was not an accident. I just went and crashed into my own compound because I'm stupid that way.
I didn't know that. You crashed into your own compound.
No, so what happened is I got off the two-wheeler and I didn't turn it off and I accelerated. So the two-wheeler went and hit the wall and it hit the mirror thing hit my tooth and lip.
She broke a tooth because she crashed into her own compound. Papa ki pari pro max.
Dumb. And then I stopped riding.
Cheers now. The other day, when we were in Goa, which like every other day we are in Goa. She was like, she wants to ride. मैंने बोला, on my dead body. You are not riding when I am alive. Oh, for those who want to see what I have for lunch, so I have chicken and rice with some boiled mung beans. I have cauliflower, beetroot, and parval. Everything here is cooked without oil, और max to max इस पूरे meal में 5 ग्राम तेल है. That's all. I lost weight after Delhi.
You're a skinny bitch now.
Bobbies, I lost weight after Delhi. That's just disappointing at this point. I should have eaten more.
Why did you even go?
Why did I
Lose
even
weight.
go? Exactly. Because I went without you, I lost weight. This girl makes me fat. Taste test. Let's go. Not
Nothing
good.
came?
Nothing came. Okay. Just like me. For all you know, that wrap and this entire bowl is the same calories.
Oh my god.
How is it, boss man?
It's yummy.
If you want to try the wrap at Subway, let me tell you what to get. Get a tandoori chicken wrap, multigrain wrap के साथ, extra cheese, and for your sauces, opt for sweet onion sauce and Southwest Chipotle. Make sure to get all the veggies, but if you don't like a particular veggie, you can leave it out. And yes, the order is not complete without a Diet Coke. Brother, eat slow. She's already finished half the wrap and I've taken like 5 bites. Because I'm sacrificing cricket to be here with you, I want you to promise one thing. Before 6:30, I should get another 5,000 steps.
Done. We'll walk around the mall. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Yeah, it sounded so bad. What are you at right now? If I guess right,
Okay, if you guess my total number of steps right, I will buy you one piece of clothing today.
oh, that's damn interesting.
But-
I know I'm not gonna get
Plus or minus 200 steps.
200 is too less. 500. If I get this right, your vlog will become very interesting.
Okay, fine. Plus or minus 1,000 steps. Happy?
You're at 9,500.
Not even close. Chef Ali said 9,500. I am at
How are
14,500.
you at 14,500?
I walk, bro.
How much, bro? I calculated 5,000 steps he got before gym, 5,000 steps at gym. Bro, shit, bro.
She's not getting anything.
Every time you've said that, I have not gotten anything.
Because you never get it right. A bet is a bet. You need to win the bet. Bobbies, look what she's doing. She came to the men's bathroom. This is the men's bathroom. She's secretly a man. Come, let's go. A good meal. I am feeling full and satisfied. Are you satisfied?
Always satisfied when I'm with
Always satisfied when she's with me. So now, time to go shopping for me. Guys, Shefali is not approving this because it blends with my skin. So we can't go with this one. Let's try another one. Oh my god, problems of being jacked. It's too tight around my chest and shoulder. Bobbies, this looks good. How's it looking?
Too good.
Good?
Too good.
Too good.
Yeah.
But like, if I lose even 1 kg, this will look bad.
Don't.
Don't lose more weight. Fits very well around the chest, arms,
Looks too good.
and the back.
Yeah. It's a nice
Yeah, it
shirt.
looks good on me. But what do I wear this for?
Navy blue.
Navy blue, like what? Chinos?
Yes, or dark blue denims.
These are the 3 shirts that we're buying. Green, blue, and light blue. Can't believe that you showing up to Phoenix is going to cost me so much. I was happy inside my house. I was getting my steps. I could have gone and played cricket with the boys, and I would have saved, how much is it now? Probably like 7-8k. 8.8k. 8.8k is insane. I tell you where the money went. So this was basically a buy 2 get 1 free, okay? But one shirt, the light blue one that I picked, 5k for that.
Better make good use out of it. Don't lose weight or gain weight.
Yeah, if
For the
I
next 6 months.
if I lose weight or gain weight, then that shirt is gone.
At least wear it 4 times before anything.
4.
Minimum.
Fine. I'll go on a date with some other girl or 4 other girls, and they'll all think that I'm wearing it for the first time. We're now going to Zara for Chef. She has to pick up 1 What is it? T-shirt or top?
I want to try on one skirt. I don't know if I'll pick it up. We'll see.
Bobbies, this is the skirt that she wants. Show them the skirt. It's literally, it's like one, what is it? Petticoat. Huh? How is my shirt a bunion when this literally looks like a petticoat? This is the face of a man who is stuck in Zara with nothing to do. भाई एक नंबर जोकर लग रही थी ये उस स्कर्ट में, so I didn't let her. No, it looked terrible on you. Bro, chef, come here. There's Feastables here. I saw it at the airport as well, but I didn't buy because there's 320 calories.
That Mr. Beast thingy.
Yeah. Mr. Beast chocolate. I've heard that it's the best chocolate. I want to try it.
Can't be better than Dairy Milk.
Can't be better than Dairy Milk. Milk Crunch, huh? I was thinking peanut butter. No?
No, Milk Crunch.
Okay. Well,
You want the small one?
oh yeah, they have a small one. Small one and peanut butter they have. Can't believe that I fell for the marketing, Mr. Beast marketing. 500 rupees for this. Where do we sit? Oh, we want to sit outside.
It deserves the seating.
Come, we'll sit outside Phoenix and eat and then go home. For those who didn't know which Phoenix I am at, it's Phoenix Market City Bobbies. And that's Namma Metro. My favorite thing about Bangalore is the fact that I have metro right in front of my house. You thought you were my favorite thing in Bangalore? You're not even my top 5 favorites.
What is your top 5?
See my top 5 favorite things in the next video. For now, let's try.
That's so mean. I don't want to eat your chocolate anymore.
Let's try Mr. Beast Feastables. Please open, Akka.
Full sound it's making.
Show them the opening. Bro, she opened it in such an ugly manner. Don't tear it like that. I want to bite into it.
Who bites into a chocolate? Are you a 5-year-old?
Bobby, when you're eating chocolate, age doesn't matter. Mr. Beast Feastables, the goat of all YouTubers, we're trying his product now. It's literally dairy milk.
What did I tell you? He didn't believe it. The man doesn't believe anything I say, man.
Woo!
This I hadn't noticed.
Take out the bar fully. Take it out of the.
It become very hard to put back. No.
Arey, remove da. This is the bar, man. I mean, it's not bad, but you can literally have. You could have paid like 80 rupees and got like a dairy milk for this.
Yummy only.
Enough. I don't want to waste 300 calories on this. So we are now going to bid adieu to Shefali. It's time for her to leave because she has to go back to her house, which is very far from here, okay?
It's like at least 8 hours away.
8 hours? What? This is fucking Bangalore to Goa or what? Huh? She's going to take about 2 hours to get home now. 1.5 hours. 1 hour and all, no boss. 1.5, right?
1 hour 15 minutes.
1 hour 15 minutes. So, say tata bye bye to her. You know what you're supposed to say?
See you soon.
Like and subscribe.
Oh, please like and subscribe. Let him grow a little. Let us make some money so we can go on one more vacation.
If you want Goa part, I don't know, 69, then please like, subscribe, comment.